Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use ngIf directive in your Angular component. So if you are planning to become Angular developer, so then you would have to use ngIf directive regularly throughout the development cycle. Okay, so what ngIf directive does is, so in order to make content on your website appear or disappear based on condition, so that can be achieved using ngIf directive. So I'm going to quickly show you what I mean by that. So here I have an h1 tag. Within that I have shown show me as a text. So now suppose this show me text I want to show on a conditional basis. So sometimes I may need to show this, in other condition I may need to hide this. So how this can be achieved? So for that you would have to create one variable. So here I am creating one variable as show. So it is going to be type boolean, and the initial value, let's set it to false. And in your HTML the syntax would be, you would have to add star ngIf directive. So here you need to write star ngIf, and then you need to give the variable name which we just created. So now as soon as I add this condition, this content of show me got disappeared, as you can see. Why? Because since this particular value is false, it got disappeared. So now let's say if I make it true again, so in that case it will reappear on the screen. So basically this functionality can be achieved using ngIf tag. So now I will show you more complex things that can be achieved with this ngIf condition. So let's say you need to show me when this particular tag is true. So let's say if you want to add another block, but that should appear when this particular condition is false. So for that what you need to do is, you need to give semicolon after show, and then you need to add one else condition, and here you need to give any unique identifier. So here I'm gonna say hide me. Okay, and then I'm going to add one ng template, and within this I can give identifier name as like this, hide me. So this can be anything. So as soon as I mention this identifier over here, the red line will disappear, right? So that means the syntax of our program is correct. So now here I'm gonna create h1 tag which says hide me. So now since this value of this show variable is true, this particular content is getting visible on the screen. In order to show this line, we will have to change this value to false. Now if you see, the content has been replaced with hide me. So how internally it is showing hide me? This value is false, and if you notice our HTML, so this show becomes false. That's why it executes this else thing. Okay, and for this identifier we have created this template, ng template, and within that we have mentioned hide me. Okay, so in this way you can take advantage of ngIf directive. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.